Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today we are back with another delicious Navratri special recipe. From the Konkani cuisine, we'll be seeing how to prepare godda pho. To prepare this recipe, few of the ingredients that we require would be 1 cup of flattened rice or poha, half cup of grated jaggery, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of chana dal, a pinch of elaichi or cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of homemade ghee, and finally 1 tablespoon of sugar. Firstly, to begin with, take a mixing bowl and into that add the poha or flattened rice and the freshly grated coconut and mix this well using your hands until the poha or flattened rice turns soft. Once the poha turns soft, set this aside for another 5 to 10 minutes, and in the meantime take a saucepan and into that add half cup of water and the grated jaggery. Once the jaggery dissolves, allow this to cook in low to medium flame and keep stirring this until the jaggery thickens well. To check if the jaggery syrup is of the desired consistency, take a bowl of water and into that add the prepared jaggery syrup, and if it settles down in the bottom as shown in the video, then you can stop further cooking and into this add a pinch of elaichi or cardamom powder. Allow the jaggery syrup to cool down a little, and in the meantime take a thick bottom kadai or a pan and into that add the chana dal. Saute and dry roast the chana dal in low to medium flame until it turns aromatic. After about 2 to 3 minutes of dry roasting, into this add the sesame seed and dry roast this as well along with the chana dal in low to medium flame until it turns aromatic or begins to pop. Once the ingredients are dry roasted well, transfer this into a plate and allow this to cool down in room temperature. Once again, give the poha or flattened rice and the grated coconut a good mix using your hands. Now when the jaggery syrup is warm, add this into the poha and the grated coconut mixture and mix this once again. Finally, add the dry roasted lentil, homemade ghee, sugar and give everything a good mix. Now our delicious godda pho is ready. Do try this prasad or nivedyam recipe during this Navratri season and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.